Ever wondered who gets to do what within your Airwallex account? If you're managing international payments, optimizing foreign exchange, or just keeping your business finances streamlined with Airwallex, you know how powerful the platform is. But unlocking its full potential often comes down to understanding one key aspect: user roles. It's not just about having an account, it's about delegating, controlling, and ensuring the right people have the right access to keep your operations smooth and secure. Without proper role management, you could have a free-for-all, leading to errors, security vulnerabilities, or simply a chaotic workflow. On the flip side, too restrictive a setup can slow down critical processes. So, what are the essential user roles within Airwallex, and how can they empower your business? Let's dive into the core roles that Airwallex offers, designed to give you granular control over your financial operations. First up, we have the account owner. This is the big boss, the ultimate authority. The account owner has complete and unrestricted access to every single feature and piece of data within the Airwallex account. They can manage all settings, view all transactions, initiate payments, create new users, modify existing ones, and even close the account. If you're the one who set up the Airwallex account, this is likely your role. It's crucial to remember that there can only be one account owner per Airwallex account, making this role incredibly powerful and requiring careful consideration. Next, we have the admin role. Admins are like the account owner's trusted lieutenants. They possess extensive permissions, capable of managing most account settings, creating and managing other users, excluding the account owner, initiating and approving payments, and accessing detailed financial reports. What sets them apart from the account owner is that they cannot close the account or transfer account ownership. This role is ideal for financial managers or operations leads who need broad access and control without the ultimate authority over the account's existence. Moving on, we encounter the member role. Members have more restricted access compared to admins, typically focused on day-to-day operational tasks. They can initiate payments, view certain transactions, and access specific reports, but they usually require approval from an admin or account owner for significant actions like submitting large payments or modifying core account settings. This role is perfect for team members responsible for executing payments, managing invoices, or tracking expenditures under supervision. Airwallex allows for further customization within the member role, enabling you to tailor permissions even more precisely to your team's needs. Finally, we have the viewer role. As the name suggests, viewers have read-only access. They can view transactions, access reports, and see account balances, but they cannot initiate any payments or make any changes to the account. This role is excellent for auditors, external accountants, or anyone who needs oversight and reporting capabilities without the ability to interact with the funds or settings. It provides transparency without posing any security risks. Understanding these distinct roles, account owner, admin, member, and viewer, is paramount for any business utilizing Airwallex. By assigning the appropriate roles to your team members, you enhance security by limiting unnecessary access, streamline workflows by empowering individuals with the right permissions, and maintain greater control over your financial operations. Airwallex's robust role management system is a powerful tool when used effectively, ensuring your international payments and financial management are both efficient and secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.